Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the checkout not working on Gumroad in 2026. Is Gumroad checkout now loading or freezing? In today's video, I'll walk you through the easiest and fastest fixes to get the checkout working again. As you can see on my screen, this is one of the errors you might be encountering. It has this window of checkout, but it tells you there's a temporary problem. Please try again, your card was not charged. As you can see here, this is a problem of checkout. Now, in order to fix this issue, the first thing you want to do is to refresh the page. You're gonna go and make sure you log in to the Gumroad account by going to Gumroad in your web browser. Then you're gonna make sure you log in. And here in your dashboard, you're gonna try to reload the checkout page. Once you finish with the checkout, you're gonna try to reload the checkout page. The second thing is to clear the browser's cache and cookies. Corrupted browser's data can break checkout scripts. So you're gonna click on the three dots in your browser here and click on delete browsing data. After you click that, you're gonna choose cookies and cached images from here and click on clear now. And this will clear all the corrupted files in the browser's registry. You can also try the incognito mode. Now open a private window and try to pass the transaction from there by clicking on here. Open here, and then you're gonna look for the website. Now, if that also doesn't work, try disabling the browser's extensions. Ad blockers and privacy extensions can block payment scripts. Try to disable them, and you can also use or switch browsers or devices. You can try Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or even Brave browser. But the Brave browser has the ad block, so make sure to disable it. Also, you're going to check the internet connection. A stable connection can interrupt checkout processing, so make sure to check the stability of the connection. Now, if you're the seller, just double tap, check product pricing, currency settings, and payment setup inside your dashboard. Now, checkout issues are usually browser related, and most can be fixed in just a few minutes. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.